Why you should choose BOTLIFE T20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Self-Emptying. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features: 75-day hands-free self-emptying. Enjoy up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. This self-emptying robot vacuum cleaner features a 3.5 liters dust bag and a 26,000 PA suction base station. The robot vacuum self-emptying system automatically empties dirt and debris, so you never have to touch dust again. 3-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming and mopping. This robot vacuum and mop combo features a 350 ml dust box and 340 ml water tank with 4-level suction and 3-level water output. Seamlessly switch between modes for optimal results on hard floors, carpets, and pet areas, a truly convenient cleaning experience. Advancedly, DAR and US-LAM Air 5.0 navigation. Robot vacuums create precise home maps and intelligent cleaning routes. Enjoy 360 degrees obstacle sensing and fall prevention that effortlessly navigates around walls, stairs, toys, and obstacles. 180-minute runtime and auto self-charging. With a 3200 mAh battery, this robot vacuum and mop delivers up to 180 minutes of cleaning covering 2,200 square feet homes. It automatically returns to the charging station when low on battery, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Smart app, voice and remote control. Control your robot vacuums via app to set schedules, adjust suction, create no-go zones and virtual walls. Fully compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, plus included remote control for effortless operation. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.